Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sylvia Andriani. For today, I will present main qualitative research and the title is The Effect of Students' Writing Skill at SMP Negeri 1 Gunung Tawang. Okay, for now, it's just to the chapter 1 and chapter 2. For the chapter 1 is in the point A, background of the problem. Most of students even judgment themselves they were not good at writing. They think that they do not have a talent in writing. Actually, these kinds of the truth often burden themselves and influence their attitude toward writing. So, the result that they try to avoid writing, and when they do writing, they do not give the best. So, based on the phenomena above, the teacher needs to find alternative teaching technique and the media which can encourage and motivate the students in writing class and also can improve their writing skill. Since that the problem in this case is that the students lack of a practice. Therefore, writing diary can solve those problems. Through diary writing, students can keep record of their ideas, opinions, or their story of daily life. It may also encourage the students to become involved and interested in writing. Okay, for point B, identification of a problem. Based on the classroom observation and interview with several students and the English teacher, there were several problems that the students and teachers faced in the writing class. First, the students had a low motivation in writing. They were unconfident and reluctant to write because they are true that they did not have an idea to write or they did not have anything to say. They had already got the ideas and then they worried about what words, which tenses they should use to convey their ideas. And another consideration, such as mechanical consideration like spelling and punctuation. Okay, for the another problems came from the teacher. The teacher did not give enough to writing practice to students, but in the classroom and outside the classroom, because writing is a skill. The more students practice to write, the better their writing might be. In addition, the minimum feedback from the teacher toward the students' writing may lead the students continually make a mistake. And how about point C is the formulation of the problems. Is there any significant effect of using diary book technique to students' writing skill? And the point D, the hypothesis of research. The hypothesis of this research is there is a positive and significant effect of using diary book technique to students' writing skill. And how about point D? E. Purpose of the research. The purpose of the research is to investigate the effect of using diary book technique to students' writing skill at SMP Negeri 1 Gunung Tawang. For point F, definition of the key term. To avoid misconception and misunderstanding of the study, the researcher would like to explain some key terms as follows. Writing. How about writing? Writing is clearly a system of human intercommunication by means of conventional visible marks, but it's evident from what has been said that what the primitive understood as writing is not the same thing that what we do. How about diary? Diary is also called journal. It's a record originally in a handwritten format with discrete entries arranged by date, reporting on what has happened over the course of a day or other period. A personal diary may include a personal experiences and or truth or feeling, including comment or current evidence outside the reader direct experiences. How about students? The students in this research are the students in the junior high school in the Seoul City. Okay, for the next is a chapter. Okay, for the next in the chapter 1. For the next in the chapter 2, review of related literature. In the point A, review of related theories, this study is aimed at the findings out that the use of diary writing that improves students' writing skill. To support the understanding of the problem formulated in Chapter 1, some theories are reviewed related to the concept of writing skills and the diary writing. For number 1, writing skill. This chapter also presents some relevant research studies for this research. This subchapter discusses some relevant theories related to writing skill. In this discussion, 2 important points are presented. They are definition of writing and the process of writing. And next, teaching writing. There are a number of tasks that the teacher should do to help their students become better writers. They are as follow. 1. Demonstrating. Teacher has to be able to draw the features of the genre of written tasks, motivating and provoking, and 2. Supporting. Students need a lot of help and reassurance once they get going, but with ideas and with the means to carry them out. And 3. Responding. Teacher react to the content and construction of a piece supportively and often, but not always make suggestions for its improvement. And 4. Evaluating. It is kind of giving feedback toward the student's writing. Next, advantages and disadvantages in the diary book. Advantages. There are some advantages of using technique. Those advantages are a tool for expressing one's feeling, a tool for recording one's daily experiences, a tool for recording one's truth, a tool for listening appointment and activities. Next, disadvantages. Potential weakness of diary studies are 1. Derived from the tools and instruments that are used to collect data, and 2. May alter long-term view held by the participant, and 3. The act of keeping a diary may have some effect itself, but the degree to which it is called effect data college is not always understood. Okay, in the point B, review of related findings. There are some related findings regarding this research. First, Hanan A. 2015 entitled The Effect of Diary Writing on EFL Students' Writing and Language Abilities. The purpose of this study is to investigate the influence of diary writing skill on EFL students' writing and language abilities. In this research, the researcher used experimental method. The result of the analysis was divided into 2 main parts, namely the grades and the open-ended questionnaire. This implies that diary book technique can be alternative technique in the teaching writing at the junior high school. For the next one is in the point C, conceptual framework. This research analyzed the kinds of diary book that used for teaching tools in the classroom interaction. Then researcher classified each kind diary book itself. Okay. For the first is about the planning. There are some things that should be considered by readers. They are purpose of writing, audience, and the content structure or sequence, the fact, ideas, or argument included of their writing. And drafting. It is able to revert to the first version of a piece writing as a draft. Then, editing, reflecting, and revising. Reflecting and revising are often helped by other readers or editor who comments and make suggestions. Another reader reaction to a piece of writing is going to help the author making an appropriate revision. And for the last process one, final draft is the last product. This result is able to be very different from the first draft that was made, but this paper is now ready to be served on the desired audience. Okay, this is enough for my presentation today, and I hope you will understand. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.